వెల్కమ్ టు విఎస్టీ న్యూస్. నేను మహాలక్ష్మి. ఈరోజు చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే స్పెషల్గా మనం ప్రెసిడెన్షియల్ స్కూల్ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము. పిల్లలతో మాట్లాడే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాము. మరి పిల్లలు ఎంత బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారో లోపలికి వెళ్ళి చూద్దాం.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Children's Day.
A very good afternoon to VST News Channel.
Can you please introduce yourself, ma'am?
I'm Mrs. Jones, the principal of the Presidential School.
Okay. I have a few questions regarding this Children's Day and how you celebrate in this school.
Sure.
On this occasion of Children's Day, what are the activities did you generally conduct and how did you celebrate it?
Well, Children's Day at the Presidential School is celebrated and commemorated every year with a lot of pomp, a lot of effort that goes into the celebrations. We are lucky to be celebrating Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, and we are happy indeed to honor his legacy here at the Presidential School. And it's a reminder to us as a school that we owe an obligation, a responsibility to our children's future. So Children's Day is celebrated with a lot of pomp, a lot of expectations, and a lot of hope at the Presidential School. We have plenty of events that we put in a lot of effort into the making of them. We have our very own teachers, our dance teachers and music teachers who put up performances for our children. We screen movies for them. And the management and founders, Mr. and Mrs. Anand, show their love and appreciation to our children by distributing love hampers that have a lot of goodies in them. There are plenty of games and events celebrated in every classroom for our students, and then we have the distribution of prizes and certificates. I think the whole ambience at the Presidential School is one of joy and hope and brightness, and our little children come so beautifully dressed in their civis, making the day so very special, not just for themselves but for us too.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for giving us an insight on Children's Day at Presidential School. We would like to know more about what you have done when you were a child in your school. So what were your memories back then?
Oh, that's a long time back, but it was pretty much similar to what we do at the Presidential School. What I enjoyed most, of course, was my teachers performing for us. It was a very special moment for us.
Thank you. What advice do you have for your parents and for your children studying in the school?
Well, I just believe that our children are tomorrow's future.
Right.
And that's what Chacha Nehru also believed in. So all of the school's initiatives are towards that vision, that we must build our children to be great leaders of this nation.
True.
So we drive them in that direction, and we look forward to the support of parents and all of our children's efforts into getting there.
Thank you, ma'am. You've explained about your goals. What should the parents be doing in order to ensure their children's marvel and excel in their careers? What are the future plans of the Presidential School?
Well, every year we grow more and more innovative. Currently, we've just launched our new space lab. So every year our initiatives are new and bigger. when it comes to infrastructure and also new visions, new goals, innovative ideas that are currently being introduced in the areas of artificial intelligence. So we try to be up with the times and make sure all of our resources, our infrastructure, our learnings, our experiences are headed in the direction of a new era.
Thank you, ma'am. While we have not really been here when the activities happen, you actually took us through that through your vision, and we really visualized what must have happened since 8 in the morning here. That must indeed have been a very, very pleasant day for you. One last question, ma'am. A lot of planning must have gone, indeed, to conduct such activities and also to drive participation. Now, how do you manage these along with your academics?
Well, we strike a balance. In fact, we've just gotten over a very, very hectic annual day celebration and headed straight into Children's Day preparation. But our staff, our management is always up and ready to rise above the situation. So we get there and we do our best and we put up the best, always.
Thank you, ma'am, and wishing Presidential School a very marvelous years ahead. Thank you.
It's been a pleasure.
Hi, happy Children's Day.
Thank you, ma'am,
Okay, so why are we here?
to celebrate Children's Day.
That's nice. So, what's special about November 14th and why do we celebrate it?
We celebrate the Children's Day to mark the birth anniversary of Jawaharlal Nehru. This day reminds us of his love towards children, his nurturing fondness of children, and the way he fought for the rights of children, their education, their health, and their protection. On this day, we break the shackles of discipline and enjoy to the fullest. On this very Children's Day, students be themselves, because every single day it's all the studies and the curriculum going on. But on this special day, we enjoy ourselves, be with friends, and have a happy time around.
Oh, that's nice. It's breaking the normal, so it's the new normal for y'all. So, what did y'all do today? How were the celebrations at your presidential school?
Yogesh, would you answer that?
Yes, ma'am, like every day I have been here since 12 years. I am studying here since nursery. So every year it gets better every year.
So, y'all prepared for this day today? Y'all
Yes,
prepared for the
ma'am.
activities?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. What activities did y'all have today?
Ma'am, in the morning we'll be participating in different competitions and we also have prizes for them.
Oh, that's nice.
And then we'll watch a movie together with our friends. This is the only day where we get to get out of our boundaries and stay free in our classrooms and interact with all the teachers freely without being bound.
So, you just mentioned about watching a movie. Which movie did y'all watch?
Dil Bate Sannata.
Well, Yogesh, the movie is not Dil Bate, it's Nil Bate Sannata. Well, it is a really inspiring story and it talks about how every child has the right to dream, irrespective of their status. And this movie did teach us a lot. So I guess Lasya would like to continue more about the movie. I'll be handing it over to her.
You've spoken about inspiration. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru did say that today's children are tomorrow's future. So, what do you want to become when you grow up?
So my dream is to definitely become something like a surgeon. It is definitely a very hardworking and tiresome job. But for that, I'm ready to give up everything, and that's definitely something which every child needs to adopt. So definitely that what Jawaharlal Nehru said was absolutely right. Today's children are tomorrow's future. So whatever the children do today, it definitely will affect the future of the country. So yeah.
With Presidential School as your backbone, wishing you success, and I hope you actually achieve what you desire for. We want the fun element coming out because today is your day. What was the funniest thing that you have done today? Smiles on your face talks a lot about what you have done. I think you need to express it out.
I think dressing up in civvies and playing games in the room, chit-chatting with friends. What else? What else we had? Oh, we played coin game, which is well organized by our great mentor. And also we had a movie screening on our TVs. I think that's it.
Small things, but makes a lot of difference.
Yeah.
You will come in uniform, and today you're in your civil
Little
dress,
things
so
that aren't little anymore.
absolutely makes a lot of difference. And the smiles on your face actually says that you are all mesmerized with whatever happened today in the school. Okay, so what have you done from morning till now?
The Children's Day celebration at the Presidential School was nothing less than a surprise today. We enjoyed a lot, and our founders, Mr. and Mrs. Anand, have specially curated this day for us to make a lasting memory in us. It was a very good and a very memorable day for us, which I would specifically never forget. The games, the songs, and the dances, all part of the program, were something just we could never forget, as it was so entertaining, and we felt relaxed in our busy schedule as well. The mementos presented to us were just as cherry on top of a cake, which really left us in awe for the teachers who thought a lot about us and thought that we would be happy with all of that. The program, which consisted of songs, dances, was really memorable. Yogesh, please tell them about that.
Yes, actually, I would like to talk about our music teacher. He is really is a very incredible man and dedicated towards his work. He always never misses a chance to inspire us through his passion towards music. And today, to make this day special, he composed his own song, a very beautiful song called "For the Sweet Souls," and the song really encaptures the joy, innocence, and the memories of children and their childhood. Also, the song's heartfelt lyrics and the melodious tune made him a highlight of the day. And we would also like to appreciate our school's dedication towards nurturing musical talent in our students. Lasya, would you like to talk?
Of course, the Children's Day celebrations at the Presidential School is definitely the most awaited event. Every child today wears the civil dress, which is like a very interesting thing, and the celebrations are no less than a surprise. We had movies, games, and whatnot. It was so enjoyable that every child leaves or has a great memory of this day. Thank you to the teachers who made this day so memorable to us. Nitya, would you like to continue?
What about dances? They were well choreographed, especially our dance teacher who had put in efforts to entertain us for the day. Also, I would be honest with this that she had graceful moves and dedication to detail which brought the beauty of traditional dance form to life.
Well, the games were a cherry on top, of course. The day ended with gifts, sweet memories, and amazing mementos. I'd like to thank our teachers and everyone who made our day special. We'll be cherishing these memories for a lifetime, of course. And we thoroughly enjoyed the event. Thank you, everyone.
Wishing everybody a very happy Children's Day from the Presidential School.
Happy Children's Day.
Hi, happy Children's Day.
Hi.
సో చూసారు కదా అండి, చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే స్పెషల్గా ఈరోజు పిల్లలంతా కూడా యూనిఫామ్ లేకుండా ఎవరికి నచ్చిన డ్రెస్లో వచ్చారు. ఎంతో క్యూట్గా ఉన్నారు. మనతో కూడా చాలా బాగా మాట్లాడారు. ఇవి ఈనాటి చిల్డ్రన్స్ డే విశేషాలు. మరిన్ని విశేషాలతో మీ ముందుకు వస్తూనే ఉంటాం. చూస్తూనే ఉండండి VST న్యూస్. కెమెరామెన్ చైతన్యతో మహాలక్ష్మి.